This is the Cubot Max 5, simply unbeatable. It's hard to find a smartphone with so many features at such an affordable price. The Cubot Max 5 is a gaming smartphone equipped with the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8204nm chip, reaching an impressive 3.1 GHz and scoring 923,640 on the Antutu Benchmark. Its design, featuring details that resemble the internal parts of a device, adds a unique touch to its look. To ensure maximum performance in the most demanding games, the Max 5 comes with 12 GB of DDR5 RAM, expandable up to 24 GB with virtual RAM, providing all the memory you need. Additionally, it offers 256 GB of internal storage, enough to store all your favorite games and apps. It features a technology called Liquid Cool, which ensures that the cooling system is efficient, maintaining maximum performance even during long gaming sessions. Available in black and white, the Max 5 stands out with its immersive 6.95-inch screen with an ultra-smooth refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, perfect for a fluid visual experience. On the back, you'll find a 100-megapixel main camera capable of recording videos in 4K at 30 frames per second, ensuring high quality in all your captures. Selfies are handled by an efficient 32-megapixel sensor. Advanced features like night mode and automatic portrait tracking ensure your photos and videos are always top-notch. In terms of multimedia, the Cubot Max 5 offers stereo sound for powerful and well-calibrated audio. When it comes to connectivity, it delivers Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and 5G network support. To complete this package, it comes with a robust 5,100 mAh battery, with support for 33-watt fast charging, running Android 14 as the operating system. Ready to take your gaming to the next level? All this for just $210, an extremely competitive price for everything this smartphone offers. Check out the purchase link in the video description if you're interested. And if you like the content, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts about this beast in the comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more reviews and updates from the tech world. See you in the next video. Bye.